guys, I'm back again, and today we will be talking about products that I have been using in the recent past, and I have quite developed a liking for all these products, so they have become my favorite. It is not a specific monthly favorite video, it's a general video wherein I will be sharing products that I have used for more than a month, and I have generally started liking these products because they have worked really well for my skin. If you have a similar skin type as mine, you can definitely go and try these products. I'm sure they'll work for you. But yes, all I want, the whole intention of actually making this video is to show that these products have worked for me. So they might work for you, they might not. So I will just quickly go ahead and skip all the introduction part now and get going with the products that I'm sharing here. So the first product that I'll be sharing will be a face wash. I'll start in a set pattern wherein starting from the cleansing part. I will be sharing this product, and this is by Neutrogena. I have already reviewed my review for Neutrogena toner. I will be definitely linking the video over here somewhere on the channel. However, talking about this particular face wash, I started using this particular face wash. I think it's been 3 years now that I've been using this, and there was a phase when I was getting a lot of pimples altogether, and I started using this, guys. This has been my favorite since then. So I've been using this from last 3 years, and not even a single time this product has ever disappointed me. So I have always loved this, and I do switch to different products to try them out and to see how they are, but I definitely get back to this one. So this is something that I would always prefer buying again, and this is something that is my favorite. So if you guys are suffering from acne and you feel that your skin gets irritated very easily, guys, go and try this out. This is a fantastic face wash. This comes for rupees 400 now, because I checked it on Nykaa. It was available for 475, I guess. I'll check the price again, and I'll link it in the description box so you guys can check that out. Please give it a try if you have an acne prone skin. You would love this. Coming back to the next, after cleansing, we definitely tone the skin. So we use there are several toners available in the market. Neutrogena is one of my favorites. I don't have it as of now. I will definitely let you guys know when I buy it next. But one more product that you can use, and I have been using it along with my toner. You can also use this separately as a toner only, and this is Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. What is happening with the rose water? So this is Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. This is the product. There are various rose water available in the market. You have Gulabari rose water. You have Patanjali also offers a rose water. Then you have several other brands which have rose water. But I think this is something that I've loved. I've actually used it for more than a month now. I think for almost 2 months. And this is the moment you spray it on your face, you feel that you have rose petals. It starts smelling so good, and moreover it actually comes down your skin. So once you wash your face actually spray it on your face, you feel so good. So I do not have any scientific reason, to be honest, to use this, but this has been my favorite. I have loved using this. So yeah, you guys can actually give it a try. This comes in 2 variants. 2 sizes actually. One of them is for 50 ml, and this one is for 200 ml. This one was for 875, and the other one 50 ml is for 250 rupees. So in case you guys want to try, you can try the smaller version of it first. If you like it, you guys can go for the bigger bottle. But my favorite, this is definitely something that I'm going to buy again. So yes, you guys can give it a try. Coming up to the next part is moisturizing, or rather serums. I will also share with you serums that I use. I am somebody who prefers 2 different products for day and night, because I feel that your skin needs a little bit more pampering towards the night, right? Because that's the time when you're completely relaxed, you don't have anything to do. So the product gets a longer time, in fact, to work on your skin. So I think the product that I will be sharing here is this one. This is by Kama Ayurveda. This is their Kama Ayurveda Miraculous Beauty Fluid. This small bottle is for 12 ml, and this is a little expensive. This is for 1890. It's 1890 rupees, I think. And I'll definitely put down the price of this product in the description box. So, but I mean, if you look at the packaging, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's packed. This bottle comes separately. The dropper comes separately. Once you remove the cap and you place the dropper, this is how it looks like. So all you need to do is, if you I mean, people have a notion that this is an oil-based formula. So people with oily skin, they have a notion that if you use oil-based products on an oily skin, it definitely will make things worse. That's actually correct. But this product, it works wonders. I have a combination skin, so my entire T-zone is really oily. I was actually scared to use products which are oil-based, but from the time I've started using this, guys, you would see the difference. I mean, I have seen the difference rather. I have already posted videos wherein I'm wearing no makeup, and that's how my skin looks. If you want, I can also post my photographs wherein I had huge marks on my face. Acne spots were there, and there were other marks as well on my skin. But I mean, I have loved this product from the time I've used it. In the morning when I get up, I can see that nice glow on my face, and that lasts for the entire day. So this is something that I would definitely recommend. If you're an oily skin, then in that case you can use maximum 2 to 3 drops of this product. If you're somebody with a normal skin or a dry skin, guys, you can use 4 to 5 drops. This works fantastically well. And this one, though it looks like a very small bottle, but it actually lasts for more than a month if you use it properly. I mean, definitely if you're using 7 to 8 drops, and it would make your skin greasy, and it will also finish up the product really soon. So use it wisely, use it well. This product works fantastic. So I'll just show it to you how the dropper looks like. Just give me a moment, please. Yeah. Okay, so as you guys can see, that's the dropper. You have this nice golden oil inside. It says that it's made from saffron, and we all know saffron is very good for skin. It makes your skin glowy, it makes your skin fair. I'm not somebody who actually goes for fairer skin or any product that promotes fairness, but I've taken this product just because I've read the reviews. It has this inner glow that comes out, and it makes the skin look good. I mean, I have nothing to do with the fairness. I'm pretty happy with my skin texture and tone, but I thought it's actually good to give it a try. So I've been loving this, guys. Give it a try. Coming back to my day cream that I use, I have tried a lot of day creams, a lot of them. I've tried L'Oreal, I've tried Maybelline BB creams, I have tried a lot of other products. I've tried Spa-Wake. Though Spa-Wake is definitely a good product, but something that I've actually started loving now, and it's been almost 4 months that I've been using this particular product, is this product by Olay. This is the Olay Total Effect 7-in-1 Day Cream. This does not do anything. I mean, it does not protect the skin because it does not have SPF, I think. Yes, it does not. But from the time I've started using this, guys, the entire day my skin is so soft, smooth, and I feel so good when I touch my skin. So I think this in combination with Kama Ayurveda has worked flawlessly for me. I mean, I am definitely in love with this. If you're somebody who's in a late 20s, give it a try because you would definitely love it. This does not leave your skin oily at all. It does not. I'm so sorry. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute, guys. I am so sorry. So yeah, coming back to the product here, I have been loving this particular product because it just makes your skin feel beautiful. I heard from a lot of people that it bleaches out your skin, it makes things worse for you. At the moment you leave it, it just spoils the skin. I do not feel anything of this sort because people say anything and everything they want. So I have not seen any disadvantages using this, and I will definitely be buying this again. So this is my favorite. Next, coming to products, finishing off with your makeup or anything that you use. If you go and check online, there's only one of the in India, there's only one of these products available. I have not seen any further. MAC provides one more, but that's really expensive. What I'm talking about is this Color Bar Staying the Day Mist. It's a fixing spray, finishing mist rather, fixing spray. All you need to do is, once you're done with your makeup, you just need to spray it. You need to keep the bottle. What's wrong with my phone today? So You just need to keep the product, I'm so sorry, you just need to keep the product, the bottle 10 centimeters far, and you need to spray it on your face. You will love it. The effect of this stays for a longer duration, at least 5 hours that I've noticed, because I've not kept makeup more than that. This works really well, keeps your makeup in place. In case you're not wearing makeup, you can also use it as a hydrating mist throughout the day. So let's say if if you're somebody who's been on the go throughout the day and you feel like your skin is feeling a little bit dull, you can definitely spray this out, and it instantly refreshes your skin. So I have been loving this as well, and I have not used much because I don't use makeup that much. But yes, definitely I will be purchasing it once I'm done with this. So coming back to the next product, we'll be talking about hair care. And one of the products that I've already showed in my hair care routine will be this one. This is L'Oreal Smooth Intense Instant Smoothing Serum. I will definitely be linking down the video on my channel, on this particular video here, so you can check that out. This is again something that I've been using for months now, and this has made my life much more easier. Every time my hair is damp, I come out of shower, my hair is damp, I take a little bit of this particular product and just spread it across the lower part of my hair, and it keeps my hair nourished and in place throughout the day. So I have definitely been loving this. I've used Streaks as a hair serum as well, and this is my second serum that I've used, but I've loved this, so I'll definitely give it a try. I'll definitely try other products as well, but this is till then it's my favorite, so I will definitely promote this, and I will also ask you guys to buy it and try it out. Coming back to the next hair care product we have here, and that will be, so before actually I introduce the product to you guys, there have been instances wherein you don't get the chance to wash your hair and you just feel helpless. So I think this product is suited for that. I've also mentioned this in my hair care. This is BBlunt Back to Life, a dry shampoo. This is specially created for Indian skin, as they claim, and this product has worked really well for me. So like some days are there wherein I don't get a chance to wash my hair. What I need to do is I just need to partition my hair and just spray it across, and you just need to massage it in your hair, and this leaves your hair soft and pretty manageable for that one day. So I'm not saying this would help you every time, but yes, one day that it's gonna help you. So it can actually make your life simpler for one day that you just miss out on washing your hair. So give it a try, guys. You will love this. You will definitely love this. All the products that I've mentioned here, they're pretty genuine products that I've used. I've used in more than at least 2 months. These products have been used, and they have worked wonders. So give it a try, guys. Last but not the least, I am a perfume fan. I am a fragrance person. I always prefer buying good deodorants and perfumes. However, the product that I'll be sharing here will be this particular deo. It is a body spray. It's by Avon, and this is called Little White Dress. If you talk about the fragrance, it's beautiful. It can actually sway you away. It's such a fantastic fragrance, guys. If you're looking for something which has this nice musky smell and stays throughout the day, this is something. I have 2 other deodorants, but this is my favorite from Avon, and this is something that I've in fact already placed the order for another stock of this. So this is something that I would definitely recommend. If you guys have any of other products that are your favorites and you want me to review them for you guys, do let me know. You just need to comment in the comments box, and I will definitely love to review them for you. In case you've liked the video, and why don't you then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that, because by with that you will get to know whenever I upload a new video, and share it as much as you can if you feel this was helpful. Thank you.